UV disinfection is a critical step for many wastewater treatment plants to release clean water to the environment. At the heart of Xylem Wedeco UV disinfection's performance is proven Wedeco lamp and ballast technology. Our technology provides reliable UV output over the lamp's lifetime, validated by an independent third party. For further quality control, each lamp is tested after production to ensure UV output meets the required targets to effectively deactivate pathogens. When UV lamps reach the end of their guaranteed operating hours, it is time to replace them. Xylem offers genuine OEM replacements, as well as a recycling service to dispose of old lamps in an environmentally conscious way. Genuine Wedeco lamp replacements provide optimal disinfection performance and ensure continued system certification. With genuine Wedeco lamps, you can be assured that the lamps will fit into the UV system, provide the correct UV output, be energy efficient, and carry a performance guarantee. In contrast, copy lamps often struggle to meet Wedeco's high-performance standards. This may result in more banks of lamps being activated to achieve adequate disinfection, increased energy usage, and a greater carbon footprint. Or microorganisms may still remain active, making the water unsafe and resulting in fines from environmental regulators. Strain on the system may also lead to premature parts failures, unexpected downtime, increased maintenance costs, safety hazards, and challenges in system service. Over their lifetime, genuine Wedeco UV lamps provide significant operational savings, reduce environmental impact, and ensure uninterrupted process performance.